This is the rear brake light on the upper tail light assembly of the 02 V70, and there's been a lot of question about how the brake bulb fits into the socket. So here's a close-up. Sorry if the shadows are hindering, but this is what it's like when it's in the locked position. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Turn to counterclockwise and pulling it out. Now you see that the smallest tab is on top, right there. That's the smallest one. So when you put it back in, look for that smallest tab, and it's going to go, as you go in, you see right up here on top, below the harness, there's a little opening, and that's where that little one goes in. It's not totally straight up and down, it's a little bit to the right. I'm going to fit that back down in there, find that little tab, go for that opening, push it down. It's gone into the little opening. It's flat. Everything is flat. Make sure it's flat, and then it's going to turn to the right clockwise, and it locks in. You see where it stops? It's got this little tab right here, and it hits that tab right there, and that's what makes it stop. So if that helps, there it is, and that's for the left side. The right side might be similar. I'm not sure right now, but I'm going to take it out again. Turn it. Now see how the stop is stopped it on this, so it can't turn anymore. It turns there and it stops. Goes there, it stops. It comes straight out. Now I know my assembly is totally out of the car, so if you're going to work with it inside the car, well, you're just going to have to work with it. I know it's hard. Everybody knows it's hard. Okay, just want to show you some things about this bulb. Okay, this bulb, where's that little tab at? Going to keep that as our focal point on top. You're going to push down, and turning it out. When it's like this, you're turning it counterclockwise. See these tabs, they're two small ones on the bottom. So it's a simple one filament brake bulb. And I put some grease on the pin. You can see this, it's I think it's dielectric grease on the bulb, right on the tip and on the sides. And I put a little bit also in the socket on the very tip and the side. Okay, so when it goes back in, I want to make sure my grease is going to be hitting the side pin. And just line it where the pins go. Keeping my little tab up top. That's my reference. I'm going to let the camera down so I can push and turn it to the right.